If you're looking to start your own company or have recently done so, you've probably heard about corporation tax. But what exactly is it? Who pays it? And how does it work? Let's break it down. Hi, Nick here from First Formations. Corporation tax is the tax that all UK limited companies must pay on their profits. That is, the money left over after covering all business costs. Unlike income tax for individuals, there's no allowance for corporation tax, meaning you'll need to pay the tax on every penny of profit that your company makes. For the 2025-2026 tax year, the corporation tax rate is 25% for companies with profits over £250,000. If your company makes less than £50,000 in profit, you'll pay what's called the small profits rate, which is 19%. And if your profits sit somewhere in between these two figures, you'll pay a tapered rate. So, when and how do you pay it? Once your company starts trading, you must tell HMRC. They are the UK's tax authority, and you need to tell them that your company is now active and therefore liable for corporation tax. This needs to be done within 3 months of starting any kind of business activity, such as buying stock, hiring staff, or providing services. Your company must then submit a corporation tax return each year, even if it hasn't made a profit. The return details the amount of corporation tax due for your company's accounting period. It must be filed no later than 12 months after the end of that period. But beware, because you need to pay whatever corporation tax you owe 9 months and 1 day from the end of that accounting period. So you're actually paying your bill before you submit your return. Missing these deadlines can lead to penalties and interest charges, so it's really important you stay on top of this. A £100 penalty automatically applies for a late return, and it goes up the later the return ends up being sent. Finally, a quick word on dormant companies. If your company is dormant, in other words it's not trading, you must tell HMRC that you are dormant for corporation tax purposes. You can do this online or by post. By doing so, you will not need to submit corporation tax returns. If you don't tell them though, you will still be expected to file these and will be penalised if you don't. Now, if you'd like to learn more about corporation tax and everything else involved in running a UK company, head over to the First Formations blog. You'll find expert tips, guides and resources to help you stay compliant and succeed in business. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on running your UK company. And we'll see you next time. Cheerio.